own two batteries you can get that you can remove. If you watched in the last one, here's how you open this up. So take your key, turn it to the right, open this up, and you've got your storage in here. There's your storage, and then underneath here is your battery. Do you see how that is cut out? It's cut out exactly the size. Yeah. So I do recommend turning the breaker off before you take your battery out. So let me show you where that is. This is how you get in under your seat. Pull the front there. There's your big breaker. Let's turn that off. Now I'm gonna take out the battery. Come on in here. They've made these easier. So you're gonna undo your Anderson clip, put that to the side. Battery is 47 pounds. I'm glad you guys want me to do this video. But I'm weak, 47 pounds. Oh, you know what I don't like? This wire is getting caught. Okay, I have a plan. This is my first time. So this wire is getting in the way. So I'm gonna tuck this under here and get these out of the way a little bit. See how that's cleared up my space here? The struggle is real. First time, right? Never practice anything. Why would I practice? Because I don't practice because I don't have time. And why not see what it's actually like? It's like a commercial you get where it's all performed. This is not performed. Okay, so you have to hold the Anderson clip. I've got these all tucked away. I've got to hold this with one hand. It's not coming out. Okay, because I got to tuck that wire more. Let's try this again. Oh, there we go. That's how you do it. I gotta do some exercises. Has a heavy battery. Okay, so if you saw what I did, you can't have these wires out like this. It's not gonna come out. Tuck these away. Even this black one right there, you see that? That's gonna get in the way. And you do not want to damage that cord. So you're gonna hold that and put it back in. Also, you can charge it direct. That's how you charge your battery, right? So if you live in a condo, you bring this inside. I would not want to do this every day, but a 50 amp battery, you'll get 80 to 100 kilometers. Hopefully, you know, you have to do this once a week. Or you just take it out in the winter. All right, so we're gonna do it again. I don't like doing this. I don't like doing this at all. I would do a 30 amp battery because those are only about 30 pounds, right? For sure, when you practice a couple of times, it's gonna be better. It's gonna be easier. Or you're just a more physically fit person than I am. But also, let's be real. You're taking 50 pounds from here. I'm shorter, you'll have to lift it up like this. I thought it was actually pretty decent. You make sure that you get those in the right way. There we go. Turn your breaker back on. Boop, boop. Put your cover back on. Then you're gonna put your seat back on. These little clippies go here. Little teeth. Put in the teeth first. I have a whole video on this. Done. And I love how this closes. That's beautiful. And that's how you take your battery in and out. There we go.